Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about new upcoming Jeep Grand Cherokee L 2023. Jeep Grand Cherokee L 2023 latest update. Latest update, Jeep has unveiled the India-bound 5th Gen Grand Cherokee in a 3-row version. Jeep Grand Cherokee launch, it is expected to be launched in India in May 28, 2023. Jeep Grand Cherokee price. The luxury SUV is expected to be priced around 75 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Jeep Grand Cherokee seating capacity. Jeep offers the 5th Gen Grand Cherokee in both 6- and 7-seater layouts. Jeep Grand Cherokee Powertrains. Under the hood, Jeep is offering 2 petrol engines, 3.6-liter V6 that puts out 294 PS and 348 Nm and a 5.7-liter V8 belting out 364 PS and 520 Nm. Both are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is offered with 3 4x4 systems, QuadraTrack 1 and 2 and QuadraDrive 2. Jeep offers the luxury SUV with 5 drive modes: Auto, Sport, Rock, Snow and Mud/Sand. Jeep Grand Cherokee features. The new Grand Cherokee gets a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Uconnect 5, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, heated and ventilated seats for the front 2 rows as well as 16-way power-adjustable front seats with lumbar and seat-back massage functionality, 4-zone climate control, and a dual-panel sunroof with a powered sunshade. Jeep Grand Cherokee safety. It is equipped with Active Driving Assist, FCA's Level 2 autonomous driving tech. It uses automated lane centering and adaptive cruise control as long as it detects your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Other assists include a 360-degree camera, rear cross-path detection, and blind spot monitoring. Jeep Grand Cherokee rivals. It will lock horns with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz GLE and BMW X5. Specification of Jeep Grand Cherokee L 2023. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 3,598 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 6. Seating capacity 7. Transmission type automatic. Body type SUV. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.